Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna make Pikachu from Pokemon. You will need a black pen, a yellow pen, brown pen, a red pen, and orange pen. So let's start. The first step is to make two small circles. Then a small circle in each eye and complete in black. A small triangle for the nose and two small lips. Now you can make the mouth, the tongue, at the top a small line to make the head. We now move to the cheeks. With a small semicircle. At the top you make a line to make the ears, and the other in a different angle. If you have a gap, you can complete it. And a small line for each tip. Now let's do the arm. Make a C shape and the fingers. The other arm. A small line to make the body. Kinda symmetric. One foot. The other foot. Now for the tail, it's like a stair shape. So make two steps. Now you go backwards, keeping the same shape symmetry. Fill the tips. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!